Hi, this is a presentation for our research project titled We'll Fix It in Post, What Do Bug Fixes in Video Game Update Notes Tell Us? This is a joint work between the University of California, Irvine and the Federal University of Bahia. So the motivation for our work stems from how games releasing with bugs can cause significant problems for game developers. One way developers can address previously undetected bugs post-release is by applying updates to their games that fix these bugs. These updates are usually accompanied by update notes, which are textual descriptions of the changes the update is making in the game, which often include a list of bug fixes. So our initial question was, what types of bugs are being fixed in these updates? And then not all bugs are equal. Some are easier to fix than others, and some may cause more severe problems for players. One aspect that ties into the difficulty in fixing bugs is recurrence. These are instances in which a bug is said to be fixed in an update, but then the same bug appears in a later update. And then one sign that a bug is having a severe impact on players is when the bug is fixed in an urgent update, which is an update that is pushed to quickly resolve bugs more likely to have a severe negative impact on users. So our goal was to apply a taxonomy of bug types to classify the game bugs that appear in update notes, with the idea that a robust bug type taxonomy will help identify the association between different bug types to different game development processes and techniques. So our three research questions were, what are the most frequently fixed types of bugs through game updates? What are the most frequently recurring types of bugs? And are all types of bugs equally severe and negatively impacting the game experience? So here's a high-level overview of our process. Due to time constraints, I'll just outline the basic steps we followed. First was data collection. We collected updates for the 30 most popular games available on the Steam platform, and we ended up with 12,122 bug fixes across 723 game updates. We categorized the bug fixes using our bug type taxonomy. We then analyzed the bug types with respect to their frequency, their recurrence patterns, and their severity ratings. We also surveyed game developers on their experiences with these bug types and the aspects of game development that they associated with bugs. So here's a brief high-level overview of our results. For instance, the bug types that appeared with the highest frequencies in the update notes were information bugs, game graphics bugs, and player action bugs. Meanwhile, we found that crash bugs, bugs in which a game is forced to close or otherwise becomes unresponsive, had the highest rate of recurrence and the highest severity rating. So for implications in future work, we believe our results can be used with respect to prioritizing bug types. Researchers and developers can focus on devising methods to address the bug types that had high frequency, recurrence, or severity. For example, the results suggested crash bugs might be a high priority bug type. Our survey also asked about the game development, aspects of game development that respondents associated with bugs. Researchers and developers can use the results to these survey questions in creating tools or approaches to address these problematic aspects of game development, which may help mitigate the presence of these bugs. For example, application of multi-component interaction testing could improve testing processes based on the survey responses we got. So this is the end of our presentation, and thank you for listening.